Hello and happy Tuesday, everyone. I've been reading about different cytokinins. I talked about them in the last house tree video for Minecraft, but one of the things that they're involved in is the initiation of new meristems. So this is all meant to answer the question of if you don't have branches at the right height for making a house tree that you're interested in, how do you make a new branch from scratch if you just have bare bark? So hopefully there's a way to do it. One of the things that acts as a cytokinin, so cytokinin is a class of hormones, but different chemical compounds can achieve the same result. One of those chemical compounds is named kinetin. It's a breakdown product of DNA. It was originally isolated from autoclaved herring sperm. So I'll give you two guesses where I got my DNA. I am just unboxing a little pressure cooker to go ahead and autoclave this DNA based on the ignition temperature of the isopropyl alcohol used in the extraction. I am almost certain it won't explode, but I'm gonna do the pressure cooking outside. So if it does, it's not as much of a problem. Okay, to the unboxing. Instructions. Features, operating instructions, safety instructions. Okay, that's trash. On the left is using Dawn dish soap. On the right is using a local brand called VIP. It's cucumber lemon or cucumber melon scented. Dawn is Dawn Ultra. It's blue. There's a little duck on the bottle. I'll add pictures of those two things. When I'm dissolving the DNA, I'm using tap water. So that adds a confounding variable, but at least I know what it is and I can readily access it. I was trying to answer a couple of different questions here. I wanted to do 3 blazes at equal depth on either side of a branching point and do a control and a test paired for each. So the tests were stippling the strawberry DNA into the surface after blazing, rubbing the DNA onto the surface after blazing, and then just rubbing the probe over the blaze. So that's top middle, and then bottom. And then on the left, I did everything that I did on the right, except with water instead of the water dissolved in DNA. Other things to note are I tried a few different tree types. There are 4 trees. One of my experiments got taken out by the neighbor's landscaping or landscapers. So in any event, all I observed was, well, for one thing, the depth of the blazes was difficult to get consistent. So in a few cases I had to make extra blazes where I ended up accidentally cutting into the wood. So you need a good idea for each tree type how deep exactly you're trying to get. And I think this might be kind of a matter of experience more than trying to specifically enumerate it. But in any event, I witnessed mostly just healing over of the blazes, which happened quite quickly, and no formation of new meristems. So while it would be nice if it was this easy, I think it's probably not. And now that I've done a little bit more thinking, probably bud grafting, where you move an existing bud from one location to another and simply graft that into a new location, is probably a better way to accomplish the same result, and you get much higher precision and don't have to worry about accidentally potentially generating multiple meristems at the point that you're working on. So all that to say, a little bit of work for negative results, but I figured I might as well share it so it doesn't waste anyone's time going down this rabbit hole specifically. Like if you liked the video, comment, share if you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe if you want to support the channel. I have a Patreon. Thank you to my long-term supporter on there, Sasha. And as always, no matter who you are, no matter what you're going through, no matter what your situation in life, it is always Tuesday. And have a great day.